Hallo, guten Tag. Darf ich Sie fragen, ob Sie schon öfters bei Kaimug im REWE was gekauft haben?
Ja, es kommt einmal die Woche kommt es auf jeden Fall vor.
Und wie finden Sie die Qualität der Produkte und den Geschmack?
Bis jetzt war es immer sehr lecker. Ja, hat mir gut geschmeckt.
Das heißt, wir dürfen hoffen, dass Sie wiederkommen.
Ich komme auf jeden Fall wieder. Ja, einmal die Woche ist es so unser Go-To oder mein Go-To.
Dankeschön. Hello, do you come often to Kaimug at REWE Balan?
Probably once every 2 weeks
May I ask why you come here?
because I like it. Like the flavor is pretty nice, and I think the prices are good. So it's pretty nice. So you just come in, it's hot and ready. You can go with it.
Hallo, ich wollte fragen, ob Sie öfters bei Kaimug im REWE einkaufen gehen.
Immer wenn ich im Büro in München arbeite,
Darf ich fragen, warum Sie Kaimug aussuchen?
weil ich zumindest das Gefühl habe, dass es sehr gesund ist. Es ist immer lecker, immer frisch und ja, das Preis-Leistungs-Verhältnis passt auch.
Das heißt, wir können hoffen, dass Sie wiederkommen.
Ja, bestimmt.
Super, Dankeschön.
Why did the Kaimug Group start a retail concept?
In general, we see a strong trend toward fresh, warm food in retail, especially in supermarkets across Germany and Europe. Combined with increasing margin pressure on retailers, this creates an ideal starting point for us to move beyond traditional restaurant models and drive growth with new retail service concepts. As more and more consumers look for freshly cooked meals while shopping, our Kaimug BOTINKIT concept, built on years of expertise, allows retailers easily to offer freshly cooked meals that look great, smell delicious, and enhance the overall in-store experience.
How can the BOTINKIT robot help you with this retail concept?
The Omni from BOTINKIT is a smart cooking robot perfect for small spaces. Together with the exhausting unit, it can be easily deployed within 24 hours and requires no modifications. The robot produces all Kaimug dishes in different quantities with high speed and consistent quality. We've been using Omni in our restaurant for about 1 year, and this experience has made us even more confident in its performance, especially for retail because it saves space and time. The robot is fully mastering recipes and cooking know-how, so ordinary store staff can easily prepare high-quality food without professional cooking skills after 1 hour training. The technology behind Omni is a key reason why we are able to enter the retail sector and see strong scaling potential. Just like bakery concepts in retail, where standard processes and in-store baking equipment enable fresh bakery goods everywhere, we believe BOTINKIT will drive a new transformation in retail food service.
What is the benefit to a supermarket like REWE?
The benefits are simple. The supermarket earns rent per square meter plus 10% of our turnover. Today we sell up to 200 dishes per day. And beyond direct sales, every food service customer also drives additional in-store purchases, creating strong indirect revenue, store traffic, and they become regular customers.
Has BOTINKIT already experiences in retail business?
Yes, this trend is not limited to Europe. It's already very strong in Asia and North America, where we have deployed our robots with leading retail chains such as Walmart and Lotus. Now our goal is to become first mover here. Our retail concepts are very highly flexible in size and open to both Western and Eastern cuisines. This allows us to offer fresh, warm food tailored to regional tastes across Europe. The joint concept enhances brand value for both supermarkets and Kaimug, increases sales per square meter, and provides a better shopping experience because it looks very attractive and it provides delicious food with the robot. And that's what it's all about.